Vixe, 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 vixe. Muita treta, vixe, muita treta, vixe, vixe. Muita treta, vixe, muita treta, vixe.
Salve família do canal SkateTricks, com mais um vídeo e dessa vez o skate diário. Então se liga aí. Primeiramente, eu tenho uma coisa pra mostrar pra vocês. Primeiro, o shape que eu consegui. Mano, o Vinícius me arranjou. Mano, lá do skate park. Tava precisando mesmo. E segunda coisa, o canal tava sem vídeo por causa que eu tava trabalhando pra poder comprar um shape novo, mas aí o mano me arranjou. Eu vou adiar um pouco a compra do shape, mas aí talvez eu use esse dinheiro pra poder comprar alguma coisa pro canal, tipo câmera, sei lá. E é isso, agora vou mostrar pra vocês o que eu tenho pra mostrar. Ó galera, chegou minha lente fechada pra gente gravar. Agora vai sair uns vídeos massa no canal. Então vamos abrir aqui. Quero saber como é que se abre isso aqui. Galera, não dá, eu vou pegar uma tesoura. Galera, também quando eu botei o shape aqui, que eu vou botar aí, só que eu não postei porque tava escuro na hora que eu peguei o shape e aí eu montei no escuro. Aí a imagem ficou meio ruim, eu só... Bom galera, voltei aqui com a tesoura. Então vamos abrir aqui. Uou! Se liga galera! Vamos abrir aqui agora. Uou! Isso aqui é o que? Um negócio para guardar as lentes dentro. Legal, vou usar bastante. Isso aqui. Se liga galera, a lente. Cara, que massa. Como é que abre isso aqui? Tira aqui pra não negociar. E a macro vem dentro da wide, galera. Que sinistro. Aqui é a tampinha. Então é isso. Fica aí com o vídeo. Vamos dar um rolê. Vou gravar com as lentes pra ver como é que fica, como é que sai tudo, como é que vai ficar a gravação. Então, espero que vocês tenham gostado aí. E fica com o vídeo aí do rolê de skate. É nóis, tamo junto.
The beat started late as shit. I ain't know it was about to start right there.
Hey, 6 bitches in the backseat. Text bad, but I'm still speaking. They smoking dope out on the interstate. Hey, all my niggas out here getting paid. Fucking this illegal. Fight out like a potato. That's a nigga got that rocket, we ain't need it yet. Talk about how I beat it yet. That's illegal. Half a pocket look like CBS. That's illegal. I was in the bar when I was 19. That's illegal. Fuck the liquor. I was just trying to get some bitches. That's the mission. I've been zipping through the city, dipping, swerving. Bitches perfect. She look perfect. I rub my hands up and down on the curb. She give me breaks, telling me what she learned. They getting mad and she get up and work. I'm getting everything that I deserve. My niggas stand up right with me for sure. Anything for the better, for reserve. The city is wide. I'm a sinner. Prayer for my niggas and pray that none of them get hurt. In Jesus' name, I seen the game and need to change the green, get flame to ease the pain. I might want her, but I sure don't need her. Put they bitches up in the two-seater. Act so fat that my it might be illegal. And I only fuck it if she legal. In the gun compartment full of briefs. Fucking cop, I get stopped in the beamer. You need a warrant, can't search it's illegal. Bitch is in the backseat.
What? That's illegal.
Tax bad, but I'm still speed. They smoking dope out on the interstate. Hey, all my niggas out here getting paid. Fucking this illegal.
Gone right out like a cheetah. That's a nigga got that rocket, we ain't need it yet. That's illegal. Talk about how I treat it, yeah. That's illegal. Half a pocket look like CVS. Fucking this illegal. Hey. This for my nigga that get illegal or illegally. Remember just how they treated me. Now they make hoe go around like a DVD. All the fun nigga repeated me. All the fun nigga repeated me. They owe me back for they called that the EBT. Switching lanes, I can see a thing. My eyes low, ayy. Couple robots with my eyes closed. He said you high, said I know. I hit the pills in my iPhone. I was still by the ride home. I just blew up the bars of Verizon. Oh, the that's illegal. Put that on my styrofoam. Remember last summer we had those still out till we took them back to back. I was so back and mad, the nigga weaving in and out the dressing bag. I passed her back and back, I told her breathing, now she called her ass for that. Fuck it, I'm doing that. We won't have none of that. If I could run it back, should've run it down with the front attached. I kill your summer, I kill your mother, you get in front of that. That paper, don't goddamn if they ask me. Oh, no, that's illegal.
Six bitches in the backseat.
That's illegal.
Tax bad, but I'm still speed. They smoking dope out on the interstate. Hey, all my niggas out here getting paid. Fucking this illegal.
Gone pot out like a cheetah. That's a nigga got that rocket, we ain't need it yet. That's illegal. Talk about how I treat it, yeah. That's illegal. Half a pocket look like CVS. Fucking this illegal. That's illegal.
Hey yo, bet I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty it's only me. Shorty it's only me. Hey yo, bet I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty it's only me. Shorty it's only me.
Now we blowing up like a top bomb. Hit the weed, baby, I'm gone. Getting right, I'm in my zone. She give me dumb, then it's adios. This pole that we smoking, we blow by the pound. Whipping it right around town. Yeah, that's all that we know. It is a lit bitch, trust me, the draw. She wildin', she out of control. Off of that Molly, we skirting that Rory, and I'm like, oh no. She touched my phone. Sneaky bitch is so regular, nevertheless, I'm all about cash. Swerving the whip, dropping for all of these bands. Counting figures, chasing them amps. I guess like I am the man. Like I
Hey yo, bet I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty it's only me. Shorty it's only me. Hey yo, bet I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty it's only me. Shorty it's only me. Down when she on my side of town. Get it together whenever I'm around. Couldn't get enough of the love that I got, so I offered that summer. She like showing up, like hold up. But to hold up, we roll up, no question. We sippin', we blow up, we know that we got loving my style. Couldn't get it up till I tried it. I got gold all in my heart with it. I got no thought of stopping this. Right to the top of the bottom metropolis. Stay away from the opposite populace. I ain't never scared of a dream, so I'm copping it. Greed, I'm proceeding with cropping it. Stick to your vision like treating your wife. Nick shorty pop locking and dropping it. Yeah, fired up, but the beat down low. Shawty massaging my feet down low, reminiscing when I didn't have a fuck to give. She taking it from me like free down low. It's a crazy life, and it only get crazier. Riding my wave and I'm waving. You fuck with my clique, I got nothing to say to ya. No, sleep on your dreams while I wake 'em up. Yeah. Hey yo, but I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense where they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty gets only me. Shorty it's only me. Hey yo, but I couldn't tell which way she go. Only myself and I sense where they go. Never had a shorty I could take home. Never had a shorty to call my phone. Never had a shorty to call my own. Never had a shorty I'm all alone. Never had a shorty gets only me. Shorty gets only me.
Bom, galera, obrigado por ter assistido até o final. Valeu pela força, tamo junto. Deixa um like aí, comenta o que você achou do vídeo. É nóis. Valeu pelo nosso público, por estar assistindo nosso rolê. Muito obrigado pela força, tamo junto aí, é nóis. Seguinte, galera, nós temos uma nova parceria no canal, a Disk Digitais. O link do cupom de desconto vai estar aí na descrição e vai aparecer bem na tela agora no final do vídeo. É nóis, tamo junto, valeu galera, é isso, fui.